Hello everyone. So today a very important announcement was posted on the GoFundMe for the SCP legal funds. If you're unsure what I'm talking about, I have made a video before. I'll make a card that you can click on to go straight to it if you want to get caught up. But today's announcement is as follows. Hello everyone. It's been busy behind the scenes and we have some information to release now. The biggest news is that we have retained the services of further lawyers. Mr. Chusov is still on the case and will still be assisting, but we now need more specialized advice to make sure that we can completely dismantle Duksin's attempts to trademark SCP. We've made some important strides, but we can't quit now. We need to make sure that SCP continues to belong to everyone who wants to create for it under the Creative Commons license, not just one person. The new lawyers believe that it's time to bring attention to the many people affected by Duksin's shameless actions. To that end, they've asked that letters be written to the Intellectual Property Court of Russia. If you can spare the time to write out why you believe Duksin's actions are wrong and unfair, and why SCP is important to you, we would appreciate it greatly. If you decide to write such a letter, we ask the following. First, it should be an actual paper letter with your actual signature on it. Many people will send an email on a whim, but not many people will send an actual letter, which will show the court that you really mean what you're sending. Second, it should be addressed to the court itself, and the address is as follows. It's going to be on the screen and in the video description. Third, please reference case number 143/2021. This makes sure that they know what your letter is referring to. Fourth, please be polite. While most of us are angry with Duksin, the person reading your letter is a neutral party. We do not want them to be put off by vitriol or profane language. Fifth, please write the letter in your own language. The IPC will be able to translate it themselves, even if it's not in Russian. If all of the letters arrive in Russian, then it may undercut the fact that this is an international effort with people affected all around the globe. Finally, use your own words. I can't write this letter for you because I can only guess what SCP means for other people. This is your chance to be heard and to let people know why this shared universe is important to you. I understand that not everyone has the time to write out a letter like this, but if you're able to, it would really help out our efforts to protect SCP for everyone. So that was the post. All of the relevant information is going to be in the video description. If you do have the time to write a letter, I would like to thank you personally. If you don't have the time, don't feel bad. Everyone has lives, jobs, mortgages to pay, all that kind of stuff. But if you don't have enough time to write a letter, maybe share the original post or this video because it all links back to the same source. Thanks very much for taking the time to listen to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.